बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो।
Hello Nijish sir. As a person, when I joined Pressure Part, I found you the most amazing, most helpful, the most generous and kind person. And I hope whatever decision you have taken, it would be good for you. And I have written down few lines of the poems which I would like to dedicate to you. I read it out. Okay, I think I've written down in the morning. It is कभी अपना सा दिखता वो, कभी सपना सा दिखता वो, कभी लोगों की महफिल में एक करिश्मा सा दिखता वो, कभी देखी नहीं इतनी इनायत जो लाख है उनमें, कभी देखी नहीं इतनी रियायत जो लाख है उनमें, कभी सपना सा लगता है उनका यूं छोड़ कर जाना, कभी अपना सा लगता है उनका यूं साथ निभाना। सितारे हुस्न की महफिल में जैसे चांद रोशन है, करोड़ों के हुजूमों में एक चिराग रोशन है। मौके तलाशता हूँ मैं, उम्मीदें जोड़ता हूँ मैं, कि बस दीदार हो उनका वो जब हमसे दूर बैठेंगे, कि बस दीदार हो उनका वो जब हमसे दूर बैठेंगे।
Nijish has always been an outstanding performer, I feel, and I can say that he is just a jack of all trades and master of everything. And I am very happy that I was always associated with him and working in close knit with him. And I really acknowledge what all achievements he has in this organization, and he's a brilliant performer, and he's always good in all fields. And we are really going to miss him, and his absence cannot be fulfilled easily, is my feeling. And I will really miss him because I have been working with him from some 5-6 years. So I just wish him all the luck and a very happy profession as well as personal career. And I hope he'll call me in his marriage and we all will be invited, and we'll plan on the weekend so that we all can be here, all 35 of us or 30 or 35 of Pressure Part people can be present there. Thank you very much for your valuable contribution.
Hi Nijish, you are going, transferred, leaving us. Anyways, best of luck for your all endeavors. Wish you health, happiness and very good time with your family. Hope you will remember us and keep on doing the good work which you have always been doing. You have been amazing for Faridabad campus and Pressure Part department. Be the same, and thank you. I'll miss you. Bye.
Nijish is really very helping in nature. He is very dedicated to work, and I wish him all the best for his future. Thank you Nijish for being with us, and definitely you will be the part of L&T, so definitely whenever we will come to Hazira, we will meet you there. Yeah, all the best.
Hi Nijish, you are very good guys. I'm working with you last 4 years. You are very helpful. Sir, you going here from here, I'm very miss you. So okay, well done.
हाय नजीश भाई, तू तो जा रहा है, अब बताइए कौन करेगा हैं? ठीक है। वैसे 2013 वाला प्रिंट है, 15 का भी तुमने लिया नहीं है, तेरा ही काम है ये। देखते हैं कौन करता है। बाय।
Hi Nijish sir, thank you for everything sir. We are going to miss you and best of luck sir.
Hi Nijish. Yeah, about you I can say that you are the most supportive person in this company. Whenever I need your help, you have always supported me. I wish you all the best for whatever you will be doing. And secondly, you are not going far away from us. You are basically in Hazra still. So all the best. We will be always in touch with you. Thank you.
मेरे को पता चला कि निजी सर का ट्रांसफ़र हो गया है, तो मेरे को सुनकर बहुत अच्छा लगा। और जब मैं निजी सर के कांटेक्ट में आया तो मैंने अपनी लाइफ में ऐसा कोई भी बंदा नहीं देखा है जो इतना इनोवेटिव और हेल्पफुल पर्सन, और उसके फंडामेंटल बहुत ही क्लियर है। तो मैं चाहता हूँ क्या मेरे को एक भरोसा भी है कि पक्का वो अपने कैरियर में एक मतलब अच्छी ऊंचाइयों को छुएंगे। तो मेरी कामना यही है कि निजी सर जहाँ भी रहें खुश रहें और अपने फ्यूचर में अच्छे से अच्छा अपनी तरफ से बेस्ट करें।
Hi Nijish, it's really nice working with you in LMB as a LMB family. So since Tanda is a very first project of NTPC, and we are really thankful for you for supporting us in calculation, and also whenever while detailing also you have helped a lot, so that I am able to link so many of our detail engineering like 2D drawings with calculations, and also I have learned a lot of calculations and many other things from you. So thank you so much, and thank you so much for supporting in many ways in office and personal as well. So you have very kind nature, and be you what you are, and share your ideas, also take other ideas, and also I am very glad to part of your curricular activity also. I have enjoyed a lot. So for your future, all the best, do well, and thank you once again.
Congrats sir, and our Material Master group, and I still remember from day one when you आपने जो हाथ से पकड़ के MCA सिखाया and material creation process सिखाया, that time I think Vijay sir was also there. And so lastly, again congrats to you, and wherever you go, success will definitely follow you. I know that. So keep doing the smart.
Best of luck, Nijish sir, and do well in your future.
Nijish sir, what I know about you, that you are a person who brings the desired quality in your work, and finally going to lose encyclopedia and the void that you are leaving behind, and it can't be replaced, but finally feeling glad for you and wish you a successful career ahead.
I joined 4 months before only. I know just 4 months Nijish, but he personally Nijish is very nice person. His helpful tendencies more than Nijish, and so technically also a lot of help he done for me. So he's a good person, nice gentleman. Let's see.
Dearest Nijish sir, thanks for all the learning and experiences which you have shared with me. Frankly speaking, when I entered in this company, I think people are more senior than me, so it's very hard to understand all these things. But with your support and experiences, you so easily explained me all the calculations, IBRs, all the things in drawings. So I really miss your presence here. If you will be here with me for more time, it's my pleasure. I will learn a lot from you. In this 6 months, I am able to learn a lot of calculations, and I am really thankful to you. But I sincerely want to say you all the best, and thank you for your sharing your experience with me. Thank you, Nijish sir.
निजी सर, आप बहुत ही क्रिएटिव पर्सन हो, आप में टीम स्पिरिट बहुत अच्छी है, हम लोग आपको हमेशा याद रखेंगे।
Hi Nijish, whenever I think of Nijish, two words come to my mind: creativity and perfectionist. Since long we had worked on both level, personal and professional, I found you a very creative person, and the perfection, really, it's amazing to see the perfection what you have in every respect of. So I just say few things ki whatever you are doing, keep it up and try to follow same thing throughout your life. It's very like you're helping nature, and just carry on whatever you are doing. It's best of luck for your future. Thanks.
Hi Nijish, I think I don't know what can I say about this or about you. It's been more than 5 years we've been working together, and you define perfection to a different level altogether. It's like probably never reach to that point or anything. But let's see. We'll probably give more feedback about this video also to Anup sir. Let's see. Maybe it will help us improve, and maybe one day we'll reach at least halfway where you are today. Anyways, it was very great working with you. All the best for your future, and surely we'll keep in touch.